how to create and sell your first NFT. Easiest way, sell an NFT under 10 minutes. Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how you can create your first NFT and list it up for sale here on OpenSea. So hey guys, first thing that you need to secure when you're trying to sell an NFT is of course an artwork, right? So what you want to do is look for creators or different applications that can create art. There are tons of them. Photoshop is also good for creating collections, putting on layers and stuff like that. I also have here a non-paid Photoshop. It's actually created by artists. It's for free. You don't have to pay for a dime for you to download this. And there are tools that you can access here as well, just like what you find on other Photoshops that are expensive. So it's called Krita. So you guys, the spelling is like Krita. And then you just have to download this free application on the web and then work your way with layers to create your artwork. But since we're talking about an easy way here, you can go ahead and check this site out, you guys. It's called BeFunky. So what you want to do is just type in befunky.com, and then once you've done that, you'll just have to sign in with your Google, just like you see here. But basically, you can create right away, without actually signing in. But now let's try and create. Okay, so photo editor, collage maker, graphic designer. So we're trying to edit a photo here. All right, I can start new. So basically, you guys, what you want to do is to download an image from Google. And you can, maybe like night sky or stuff like that. Or basically anything you want, like collection. Maybe you want to do a collection of a night sky or like a day sky or whatever. And landscapes and stuff like that. But basically we want to turn this into an artwork, this photo into an artwork. Try to turn it into something else other than a photograph. So BeFunky does a really good job doing that. Okay, we can actually just drop the image right over here, but I'm gonna do and open it and from my computer. And let me just browse down here. I think this one. I love this picture. I don't know. It's maybe because of the fact that it's the galaxy or something, outer space. I really like outer space stuff. And next is what we want to do here is to you can edit, basic edits like what do you have here? Crop, resize, rotate, beautify, and stuff like that. But we want to sell a square NFT because most NFTs on OpenSea is actually square, but you can do it with whatever size you want. But yeah, after that, after you're good with the size and the basic edits, what you want to do is to go here to the artsy tab. Now the artsy makes the picture a lot different, compared to what it looks like right now. I know this is an artist rendition. It's not an actual photograph. Yeah, so we're turning that into, either any of these, digital art, cartoonizer, poly art, mosaic, pastel, pen art, impressionist, inkify. But I wanted to look like, something that's painted on paper. So maybe I'm going to try on pastel. Okay. It takes a while, you guys, because, the process of this is really hard when you do it by yourself, but since it's doing the coding for you, I think it's gonna be fine. Now this is the artwork. It turned out to be really great, right? I can see here details. Now I can tell that this is a picture of a nebula. Yeah, so I think I'm pretty good with this, you guys. Well, you can go ahead and check on if you want other, presets, but basically I'm good with this. Anyway, you can't save this one because you'll have to sign up. So yeah, upgrade to BeFunky Plus. But we can get away with this by screenshotting this, and that's it. So let me just open my snipping tool. And then I'm gonna screenshot this picture from this to, I want to add in the white star over here because it looks totally cool for me. I'm just going to extend it a bit just so when I crop it later onto a square, yeah, I'll have like an allowance. I think this will do. That'll do. Yeah. And then we're going to save it, and I'm going to save it pastel night sky. There you go. All right. So now we have our art, right? Next step is to, of course, create an account here in OpenSea, because we're going to do the minting now, you guys. The minting is a process of transforming your artwork into a digital non-fungible token. So that's the process. It's called minting. It's like minting coin, or, you know, yeah. But the difference is that you're minting a digital artwork. So what you want to do here is to create an account, right? So if you haven't done that, it's pretty easy. Just log in, fill up some details, and connect a wallet. It's important for you to do that. A lot of people use MetaMask. I use MetaMask. So just type in metamask.io, and you'll see here that you can actually download the wallet immediately from, by clicking this button. And once you've done that, you guys, this is how it's going to look like. Your wallet's going to be here. And then this is where you can add your funds, buy and sell NFTs, transaction, and stuff like that. You basically cannot access OpenSea without a wallet. So make sure you do that step. Now, next step is create an artwork. So once you log on to your OpenSea account, you can create by clicking this button right here or this button right over here. Now let's hit on create. Okay, this create button, guys, isn't actually you creating an artwork, because, we've done that, right? So now first up is, of course, to upload the artwork that we've generated using the site that I showed you guys from a while ago. And it's right here. Wow, it's looking good. I think it looks legit, right? It's actually legit if you ask me, because come on, we turned it into something else, right? Okay, the item name is, basically what you want your NFT to be called. And for this one, external link is, if you have a social media account where you upload all your stuff, and you can link it here so that, your potential buyers can actually see that if you have a huge following, if you create a lot of stuff, and if people comment a lot of comments on the things that you share to them and stuff like that. And the description is basically you talking about the artwork itself, maybe I love the night sky and stuff like that. I used Basto to create this artwork. And yeah, basically just tell people about your artwork. Collection. So if you have existing collection of night skies, this is where you can add it. You can just click this button right here and then click on the collection that you want it to be added. But since we're just creating a single NFT, we don't need to fill up this things like properties, levels, and stats. But if you plan to make a collection, you guys, these are important for you to set up, because, one way for your potential buyers to actually place a bid on an NFT in a collection, higher than what you expect, it's important to create a collection and, set up some properties that are rarer than, the others. So, yeah. Next is this unlockable content. So what it does is that, it can, if you toggle this on, you have the option, or you have a choice to unlock the content once it's already bought. I think this is for people who just want to secure the artworks that they post. And of course, toggle this on if your NFT has an explicit or sensitive content. Of course, supply with this is one. Next is the blockchain, you guys. This blockchain is important to note because, you can actually lose or make money depending on the blockchain that you use. Personally, I want to use Polygon because as a beginner, you want to earn money, not waste money, right? And using Polygon, you can avoid gas fees. But, for seasoned traders or NFT creators, they normally go with Ethereum because once you list with OpenSea, once you list with Polygon, it's really harder to sell your NFT because there are people who just use, Ethereum mainnet. And there is another video explaining the difference between these two. Maybe you can try and check it out. And once you're done filling up all the details here, we can now click create. And once we click create, you'll just have to authorize your wallet and stuff like that. Now we created the NFT, but let's try to sell it. Click sell, and then input the amount here. Is it gonna be for like ETH, or of course it's, yeah, this one. By the way, it's on purple. This means that we're listing through Polygon. So 2. And complete listing. And we can just click on sign, and then a pop-up window will appear here, and sign, and boom, your NFT is listed. So that's it, you guys. That's how you can create your first NFT and list it under 10 minutes. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. But that's it for this video. See you again on the next one. Peace out.